What's going on, guys? Thanks for clicking the video. Today I am just doing a quick little demonstration of how to install an LED light kit on your Grasshopper mower. This is the 328G4, which uses the slim LEDs. It's just a few quick steps. You just take off the fenders, which are only held on by 3 screws. So it's pretty easy to do. After that, you're going to take off the light covers. These covers are held on by only 2 nuts and bolts. After you remove the covers, you just slide the lights in and then use those same nuts and bolts that you took off the covers to mount the lights to the fender. After that, it's as simple as just plugging the wire into the existing clip right there and then putting the fenders back on. I did run into a little issue with the other side. The wires were like jammed underneath the operator center, control center, whatever you want to call it. And they were zip tied really tight, so I ended up having to cut the zip tie and unbolt the control center from the frame. That way I could actually pull on the wires and get them routed to where they needed to go, because otherwise they would not stretch far enough to reach the light and the on and off switch. Now this goes without saying, make sure that all your wires are tucked in tightly and routed to where friction and moving parts will not pinch or cut them or, rub through the insulation. And honestly, guys, that's it. Once you plug in the second light and put your fenders back on, you're done. The hardest part was just getting the wires routed on the control center side, but yeah, it was actually pretty easy. I love the look it gives to the mower. I don't know, it was like it was just missing something. But anyway, the clip that's about to show, it's going to be very grainy. Just keep in mind that my camera is not made for nighttime. It's not a large format sensor, so I had to crank the ISO so you could actually see how far these things were shining and how bright they were. Without further ado, I will let the results speak for themselves. I was absolutely blown away by how bright these things were. Like, it really doesn't even capture on camera how bright these things are. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This was just a quick little video. I hope it helped you if you are trying to do this, trying to install lights on your mower. Feel free to like the video, comment. I've got a few more videos planned, hopefully. Like to do a review of my mower, what I think about it after a year of use. You know how it's held up and all these things. But anyway, I'll shut up now. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. See ya!